Traders, welcome to Simply Forex. If you want to improve as a trader, then you're definitely in the right place. Each week, guys, I'm going to share easy to follow trade ideas, give you tips and advice so you can succeed at trading. And right now, guys, you know what time it is. It's time for all of you swingers out there. It's time for the weekly forecast. So basically, guys, if you stay to the end of the vid, I'm going to give you all of my trades for this week, my swing trades, okay? Before we do, I have an announcement. So last week, guys, we gave you the opportunity to win a 5K funded challenge courtesy of Blueberry Funded, and the editor has randomly picked Primes as the winner. So Primes, all you need to do is join our free Discord channel, contact the editor, and there will be 5K of capital waiting for you. Right, guys, let's start with our trade ideas. Let's dive in, and we're going to start with gold and silver, right? So I want to start with these because they're interesting, right? So if we look at gold, yeah, you can see on the weekly chart. Remember, these are swing trades, guys. So I'm going to look at the weekly chart. But if you look at the weekly chart, we're clearly in an uptrend, right? And nobody wants to sell gold, right? It's in a very bullish uptrend. And just look at last week's candle, right? Everything is telling us to buy this. The problem I have with gold is that up here, if we start buying up here somewhere, there's just no value whatsoever, right? If you look at the moving average 20, it's absolutely miles away. If you brought up the RSI indicator, it will clearly be over 70, which means it's overbought or overextended. So although it looks like a good buying opportunity, for those reasons, I'm staying away from gold. However, its slightly cheaper brother, silver, is a good opportunity. Okay, so if we take a look at silver, you can see that we don't have the same problem, right? This is the moving average 20. Things are not overextended here, all right? And in fact, we've just had a break of this key level in here, right? Yeah, it's just broken these highs, this area of resistance. So it's in an uptrend. It's broken a key piece of resistance, and we have a nice bullish candle. All right, so we're looking to buy silver more so than gold this week. And if I zoom out, guys, I had to zoom back like 300 years, like back to dinosaur times. But also with silver, which we don't have with gold, we have some references from the past, right? We've got some price in here, you can see, that was once resistance. So that's going to be our target, this 35 level for silver. All right, so that's our first trade idea. We've got many trade ideas, guys. All right, so don't go anywhere. The next trade idea is Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, and as I said, guys, these are all swing trades. So I'm going to be looking at the weekly charts. And if we just zoom into the weekly chart, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend, right? We're in an uptrend and we're bouncing off this key level here. What was once resistance has become support, okay? And nothing's really changed, right, on the weekly chart, okay? You can clearly see we're getting this super bullish wick. We had this super bullish candle the previous week, and there's still room back up to this level here, right? Or if I zoom out, you know, potentially back up to these highs in here, right? And this 9,400 psychological level. All right, so Aussie dollar CAD buys. There's a few Aussie dollar pairs. We're seeing a bit of Aussie dollar strength in the market. I also like Aussie dollar US dollar. Now, these weekly charts may actually be, so for example, guys, I want to buy Aussie dollar US dollar because of this weekly chart, right? And again, if we just follow the weekly chart, okay, this is where we're at, right? We're clearly in an uptrend, higher lows, higher highs, and we've got these really nice bullish wicks starting to form at the moving average 20, all right? But with these weekly charts, sometimes the day chart, let's take a look, is in a downtrend. So what I'd really like to see on the day chart is perhaps something like this, guys, right? We get something like this, and then we get a break of daily structure as well. Yeah, then I'm very keen to start buying this. Okay, there's more Aussie dollar strength. Let's have a look at Aussie dollar yen. And guys, before I look at Aussie dollar yen, if I could please ask everyone to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash the like button as well. And please, guys, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know which trade you like, which trade you're looking at. Just leave a comment below the vid, even if you just want to say, hello, Tom, how are you? Right, Aussie dollar yen. If we go back to the weekly chart, right, again, not much has changed from the previous week, right? We was in this downtrend, and now we've started to, well, we've broken these highs. We're now in an uptrend, and we're getting slightly higher lows as well. We're getting higher highs, higher lows. And then last week, guys, a couple of weeks ago, we had a bullish candle, and even this wick is bullish. So this is still telling me that we have potential room up to 102.50 and this next piece of potential resistance here. And also, if you look at the monthly chart on any yen pair or Swiss franc pair, just look at these candles, right? They're just looking so bullish, right? So yeah, Aussie dollar yen buys, which brings me on to a few more yen pairs, yeah? Because if you look at CAD yen as well, right? Again, if you look at these monthly chart, right, we've got this level through here, and just look at these wicks, right? There's lots of buying pressure here, and we're still in a monthly uptrend. We drop to the weekly chart, yeah, we're in a weekly uptrend as well, right? We was in this downtrend. There was loads of selling pressure on yen, and then it's broken back up. As soon as we saw this candle here breaking all of these highs in here, yeah, we're now in an uptrend. We've had a little bit of a retracement. This candle is not exactly super bearish if we compare it to this candle. So I'm still, looking for buys back up to this 110 psychological level now, okay? Because that's where the moving average 20 will catch up with this pair, okay? And one more yen pair we're looking at is Swiss franc yen, okay? So I'm still in this trade, actually. Let me remove the alert. Love an alert means you can just sit and pick your nose and watch a series, and then when your alarms go off, you jump into action. But yes, let's start with the monthly chart. Right, again, all of these yen pairs are looking great on the monthly chart. Yeah, look at those wicks. Yeah, it's telling us we've got a lot of buying pressure. If we drop to the weekly chart, we're in a weekly uptrend. Right, again, yeah, we were in a downtrend, and then bang, right? Literally in the space of a couple of weeks, we break these highs and we start to get higher highs. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. We've retraced to an interesting level here, right? What was once resistance in here, therefore becomes support. Okay, and from this level, we can potentially take price up to this 175 psychological level. All right, so they're all the yen pairs, guys. What we're looking at next, I'm also seeing a bit of euro weakness in the market as well. The first one we'll look at is euro Aussie dollar. Again, if we take a look at the weekly chart, guys, yeah, you can see we're in a weekly downtrend, right? Price has retraced to this really nice resistance level, and we've got the moving average 20. Look how price is touching that moving average 20. It acts as such good dynamic support or resistance, but resistance in this case, right? And yeah, just look at those wicks that we're getting. All right, so the idea is just to follow this wick rejection at that level and keep selling euro Aussie dollar back down to these lows here. We got another euro pair we're looking at, euro New Zealand dollar. Let's take a quick look at that as well. Again, if we look at the weekly chart, right, you can see we are in a downtrend, right? We got lower highs, these highs are holding, and we got lower lows, right? We're still in a downtrend. And again, look at all this rejection here at this level. Okay, so this tells me you could potentially take price all the way down to here. And then, just to make you aware, guys, if we look at the daily chart, really I'm just waiting for a break of daily structure, because sometimes when we look at the weekly chart, you're against the daily trend. So all I'm looking for is a break of this level in here. If we get a nice big bearish candle, come down here, breaks this level, nice big red candle, I'll be looking for a retrace and then to come lower. All right, so I want to be with daily trend with these weekly swing trade ideas, right? We got more swings than a playground. It's not a very good joke. Right, guys, what else we got? We're also looking at, we've got a few more pairs, looking at a couple of US dollar pairs. Before we look at these, guys, if I could please ask everyone, if you haven't already, then come join our trading community, right? You could speak to like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, trades. So come join our free Discord channel, it's absolutely free, guys, right? You just enter and verify yourself. If you want more than that and you want access to my trade signals, to my tutorials and my strategies and direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And right now, guys, if you sign up with one of our brokers, our preferred brokers, you will get free access to the VIP. It's a no-brainer. So switch your broker and we'll let you into the Trading Academy. Right, US dollar pairs. Aussie dollar, US dollar, right? I still like this, because of the weekly candle and how it finished, right? Again, just look at trend, right? Trend is upwards, okay? Clearly, higher lows, right? Higher highs. We're in an uptrend. Then I'm looking for a piece of support or resistance, but a piece of support in this case. And you can see this level through here, this gray zone is good support. Plus, we got the moving average 20, where this wick has held on to. So we've also got good support. Then look at the candles. What are the candles telling you? And just this wick followed by this wick, buyers are coming in. Okay. And the idea for me would be to take price just up to this resistance level here, right? I just want to take price up to here because there's lots of resistance here. All right, but Aussie dollar, US dollar buys. Also looking at pound US dollar. Okay, so again, right, the things we're looking for, trend, right? So, okay, we're in an uptrend. Okay, price comes down. We haven't broken this low, so therefore we are still in an uptrend. We're getting higher lows, higher highs, right? Then I'm looking for support and resistance. We're clearly at a support level, right? Clearly. And the moving average 20 hasn't quite hit it, but this is where we're at. Then I'm looking at the candles. And again, look at the wicks. You can see there's some rejection of price at this level. Okay, so the idea for all of those reasons is to take price back up to this level here and this 3,200 psychological level. Now, again, guys, let me just quickly show you the day chart. Because with these trades, like I say, I really want to see, a break of daily structure. So if we get a break of that level, something like this, I will be all over this trade. Retrace back up to here. All right, pound US dollar as well. And then there's one more trade, guys. Don't go anywhere. One more trade. No, couple more trades. We've got a couple of Swiss franc pairs that we're looking at as well. So if we start with pound Swiss franc, we look at the weekly chart, right? This is still looking good for buys. Yeah, it was in this downtrend, and then bang, as soon as we break this high, we're in an uptrend. Okay, we're getting higher lows, higher highs. Right? You need to understand trend and the structure of the market to be able to trade. Right? It may sound obvious, but make sure you are fully clear as to the direction of the chart. So we're in an uptrend. And then again, look, we're getting bullish wicks followed by a bullish candle last week. Right? So the idea is to potentially come all the way back up to this 1,500 psychological level. And then there's one more Swiss franc pair I'm looking at, and that's New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Okay, again, if you look at any of the Swiss franc pairs and you look at the monthly chart as well, yeah, look at these monthly candles, right? It's come down to a big psychological level. Look at that, 5 and all the O's, right? And it's rejected that like Gal Gadot would reject me if I asked her on a date. Okay, so monthly chart's looking good. If we look at the weekly, we are in an uptrend, right? Only just because this high gets broken with this candle, the body of the candle. We've now retraced back down to this level of support, and we're getting a bit of a bullish reaction to take price back up to here. Again, let me just show you the day chart with this one, guys, because there's a clear level here, right? Price is in a downtrend, and it's just sort of bouncing off this level in a bit of a range. All I want to see is a break of this level, right? Retrace, take price back up to here. And guys, that is all of my trade ideas. If you've enjoyed my analysis, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and share the vid with others. Don't forget all the promos we've got running at the moment. Come join our VIP Trading Academy, sign up with one of our brokers. We've even got partnership with Blueberry funded right now if you want some extra capital. Check it all out, guys. Have a great trading week, and I'll see you soon.